What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders doing some end of the day scans on February the 22nd, 2021. And right now I am looking at ticker symbol GSAH on the daily chart over the past year of price history. However, actually, this is a younger ticker. It's not a full years. I think this is about 6 to 8 months, something like that. But either way, in the last couple months, we've seen a nice uptick in volume, and at the same time, the prices also started to pick up, having a nice move up on quite the range, moving from about $12 a share up to almost 17 in just a couple days. So a very impressive ticker, a good amount of volume. So we have a lot of eyes on this right here, and as you can see from these higher highs, we're obviously in a nice bullish uptrend right here. All right, so now let's go down into a smaller time frame. Let's see, maybe 30 minutes. We'll even go down to a 15-minute action on this one. All right, so I'll remove this just so it's a little bit more clear. All right, so we have some obvious areas of interest here. We're going to go through the chart quickly and pretty much just highlight those areas of interest and maybe come up with a profitable trade plan to keep our eyes on the next couple days to weeks. But full disclosure, me personally, I am in this trade right now. I am a bullish on this trade. And we're just going to be going through, and I'm basically breaking down my own thesis on this as well. But just, wanted to show you exactly what I'm looking at. All right, so we have an obvious area here of resistance right around $15.10. Right there, that the price has been rejected at multiple times. These 3 points here, yes, it did momentarily get above that, but for the most part, these are pretty thin wicks, meaning it was thinly traded at this level, and then within this amount of time, for the most part, it has been below that. So 15.10, definitely an area of resistance over the past couple days. Now, for areas of support, the closest one we see, and the most obvious one we see is going to be right here around $14. We can see that over here it was tested multiple times. And again, with this, yes, a thin wick, but it was a thinly traded here as well as here. Touched off there's tested a support. So pretty much we can say $14 is an area of support. So we're going to just change that to a green and make that a little bit more clear. So right now the price has pretty much been going sideways and, in my opinion, consolidating in this $1 channel. So one thing that we're going to be looking at in the next coming days or weeks is, one, if the price can stay above this $14 area. It can momentarily pop below it. I wouldn't want to see it go down too much. Past $13.50 I would not be too happy with, and maybe reevaluate my trade. However, I do have some time on this trade, so I am looking at a couple days, maybe a couple weeks at most. But I would definitely say buying at this $14 range, maybe slowly scaling in if you'd like, would be absolutely plausible. And looking for it to either, one, retest that area of 15, where you can take off all your position size and trade the channel, or what I would recommend doing is maybe taking off 20 to 30% of your position size right around that $15 area to lock in some gains, hopefully to let those gains continue on if we do get the breakout of that channel and going on and up. So we're going to be pulling back the daily one more time, and as you can see, this right now we're pretty much close to the highs of the year, of the 52-week high. And going back down to the 15-minute. So definitely 15 being our first area of profit taking that 20-30% off, or all of it if you want to scalp the channel. That's going to be locking in gains just in case we do get pulled back into this channel. At least you are making some money within that time frame. And getting in at this 14, you do have more of a range to profit on the way up as well. But if you do want to do a momentum breakout trade, look for an increased amount of volume and for the price action to break 515 at that same time. You're definitely going to need that price volume there, just so you know that you're going to get caught in any fake out breakouts. And there's a lot of bullish momentum and strength behind this move, pushing you up to our next area of profit taking, which is going to be 1550. Now, there's not too much data points right here, but there's obviously these three. The main body of these two candles were here, and then that wick as well. So right around the 1550 would be our second profit taking area. Again, taking 20, 30%, or half if you'd like of your position size off, letting the rest go to our final price target, but not last price target of 1650. And now when I say that, I do mean taking off maybe a little bit more of an aggressive amount of your position size here and letting the rest, what I like to say, ride to maybe some new all-time gains. All right, traders. Well, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps us out a ton. And subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Check us out at tacticaltraders.com to get access to our live 24/7 chat room. Thank you for watching, traders, and until next time, stay profitable.